everybody, welcome back to Drawing Big Time. Please subscribe and like down below. Today, we will be drawing Sticky Cow. Yay! Make sure to take your pencils out. So, first we're going to draw the top part of Sticky Cow. We'll make an oval, but very thin, and is not connected. Then we make a line in the middle, but do not connect it. Like this. If you want it to look like this, you don't connect it. But if you want to connect it, you can. Next, we're going to start from this part and go slanted. Then we make it equal. You can always erase. Next, we're going to make a curve. Go down straight. And then we make one other curve. Now we make a wave, but don't connect it to the bottle. Just like this. Then we're going to go down like this to make it look like it is in glass. Now, we're going to draw the Sticky Cow. But before we do anything, we need to draw the sweet straw made out of chocolate. Then we're going to make one line like that and color it in as shadow. Okay, now we're going to draw the Sticky Cow. First, we're going to draw a curve, but don't connect it with the glass. Then we go a little more down around the side and make a cheek. Then here we're going to make an ear. Don't go like this though. You want to go down, take a curve, and make the ear. Then you take, in the middle of the ear, you go slanted and connect to the bottom. Now we're going to draw the cow's stomach. Don't go all the way, but just make a curve, a slightly curve. Then make a leg for the cow. Make another leg for the cow. Then make a hand. We make a rectangle, but stop right there. Make a little bit more bigger, then stop. You erase a little bit. You go just a little bit more. Then you make the chocolate wrapper. Then you make the chocolate. Now you'll be making the snout. So we'll make an oval, and the chocolate will be facing towards the mouth. You make 2 little circles, but there's a half circle since the chocolate is covering the cow's nose. Now, take 1 finger, your pinky, do not press it, but turn it like this. Then, put 1 eye on this side, a circle eye. And then put another eye on this side. We're almost done, but we still need to add the decorations. So we'll add a spot here. Then we add 1 sign and just do that. We'll color this later. Now we'll make one of these, but a miniature size coming out of its body, like this, coming out of its head. So you want to make 2 lines, except make that one smaller. Then make a curve going down. Okay, now we make the chocolate. There. Yes, Sticky Cow is now